Hello everyone, today I want to discuss with you a particular topic that I've been doing a little bit of research regarding rarity in Dominaria's card. As you know, Magic the Gathering cards are divided in 4 rarities: common, uncommon, rare and mythic. Every card, there is the symbol on it that denominates if it's a rare, mythic, common or uncommon. But I've been doing a little bit of research, a little bit of number crunching, and I wanted to find out and let you know if, apart from these 4 rarities, there are secret rarities. First of all, we need to do a little bit of maths. A booster contains 15 cards, which are usually divided in 10 commons, 3 uncommons, 1 rare or mythic, and 1 land. In our case, I'm not going to discuss regarding lands. Lands have 1 per booster. It's the rarity is there. It's a very common card, and I'm only going to concentrate only on the common, uncommon, and rare and mythic. This means that in every booster box, remember booster box have 36 packs. In every booster box you have 360 commons. In this case I'm not going to count the foil cards. I'm going to leave out of our equation the foil cards. So there are 360 commons, 108 uncommons, and 36 rares or mythics. In this case I'm going to divide them in 31 rares and 5 mythics. Because in a booster box usually there are 5 mythics. There are some exceptions like 4 and 6, but the average and the trend is 5 mythics. So once we know our maths, let's begin to find out the set size. Dominaria set was 269 cards, 101 commons, 80 uncommons, and 53 rares. This is how Dominaria is divided, with 15 mythics. Therefore, if we do our maths correctly, that means that in case of the commons, you are guaranteed to find at least 3 commons of every card. 101 commons out of 360. That means that you are guaranteed to find 3.6 to be accurate, but 3 cards / 4 cards. For the common, you are guaranteed to find at least one of every uncommon, with the occurrence of also 2. For the rare, you are not guaranteed to find every rare card. You can see it's 31 out of 53. So you are guaranteed to find 1 rare, but not every rare. And for the mythics, you have a guarantee of finding 1/3 of the mythics. This is how the maths calculates our rarity. And now let's see how much cards you find in a booster box. Let's begin with the common cards. I'm going to put you Lenoir Elves, Opt, and also red colony. These are, in my opinion, the best 3 common cards for Dominaria. Strangely enough, I've seen that in booster boxes, in case of these 3 cards, the average occurrence is 2 cards per box. Sometimes you find 3 elves or 3 opt or 3 reds, but it's very rarely that you find 3 or 4 cards of these 3 commons in a booster box. Yes, I'm saying booster box. If you buy a booster case, you have a guarantee that you will find at least 8 of these cards. If you compare these 3 cards, that in my opinion are the best 3 common cards for Dominaria, if you compare with cards like Knight of Benalia, you will find 5 to 6 common cards in a booster box. Let's continue our analysis. Let's go in the uncommon, and we have, in my opinion, the best uncommon card in Dominaria, that is Damping Sphere. Damping Sphere, as I said, you have a guarantee of finding 1/2 uncommon cards in the booster box. In case of Damping Sphere, I've seen booster boxes finding only 1 card. Yes, only 1 Damping Sphere in every booster box. Remember, this is an uncommon, is not a rare card, and you will find only 1 in booster boxes. I've seen some booster boxes having 2, but the majority of the booster boxes opening that I saw hit only 1 Damping Sphere. Let's go for the rare cards. There are rare cards that they are very strong, like Steel Leaf Champion, one of the best cards in rare slot for Dominaria. In case of Steel Leaf Champion, you have a 0 to 1 find in every box. No guarantee to find one of these cards. Sometimes you don't find it, sometimes you find only 1. In case of another card like Grand Warlord Rada, in case of this card, this is not a very strong card in Dominaria, it is a rare card. In this case, I found out that you, in a booster box, you find 2, both of them in the same booster box. There's no guarantee that you will find both of them in a booster box, but I've seen 2, 3, 4 booster boxes hitting 2 Rada in the same box. Also, the majority of the booster boxes I see opening, the majority of them hit this card. For mythics, the hitter of all mythics, Erza Sion, Karn Sion of Erza. This card is very rare to find it in your booster box, and according to my calculation and according to what I've seen, the occurrence of finding a Karn is 1 in a booster case. Booster cases have 6 booster boxes, and the occurrence of finding this card in a booster box is very low, so much low that is 1 out of 6 booster boxes. Another card, Teferi, Hero of Dominaria, also 1 to 2 cards that you can find in a booster case, not box. Remember, booster cases have only 6 boxes, and the occurrence of this card is 1/2 Teferi, Hero of Dominaria. Then cards like Verix, that is still a mythic, the occurrence is this, is 4 in a booster case. Its token, it's rare as much as the card. Therefore, my conclusion is, I believe that in standard sets like Dominaria, Yes, there are different secret rare slots in the set. Otherwise, you will find the same occurrence of Karn as much as Varix.